Hello everyone, welcome to my third tutorial on PHP, and it is going to be again on array functions. So previously I have explained array filter, array map, array merge and array column in two different tutorial videos. Now this is the third one and I'm going to explain array pop and array push. So let's just start with the array pop. And as you can see, I have opened up the PHP file and my directory. So I'm going to explain one by one. So first, let's just take an array which will consist several values. Normally I prefer like some string values. So let's just put this 2 and probably another one 3. So now what does array pop do is simply it basically return the last element of the array. So now if I'm gonna result it out and let's just see what array pop does. So array pop, and it takes exactly one parameter, which would be array 1 here, and then I'm gonna print out this value, but I'm gonna print out this value with nice way that I used to do, that is on a echo pre and var dump. So now I'm gonna do echo and probably just write pre and do not close that pre, we don't have to, and then we would basically var dump it because it returns this string value, the last element, because an element is not an array, element is just a value here. So the result we need to see. So now this has basically show this value here. So now I'm gonna do what, php-s, localhost, and then any port that you want if you have server running in. So for my case, I'm just gonna do it in this way. So if I hit this and open that in the browser, it is gonna open that in the browser. So now you can see it has basically printed out this string, which is 3. So the reason is the array pop simply extract the last element value and return that as a string. So that's it. So now I'm gonna move to the other example, that is array push. So let's just define another array 2, and put this as, let's just take it as an integer value, maybe 2, maybe 5, or that's it. So what array push does, it basically push the values at the end of the array. So let's say you have this array 2 here, which is 1 to 5, any values here, and now I'm going to use array push and then capture the array value into the so let's just do this way. So I'm gonna just override this array 2 because I don't have to take any additional temporary variable here. So I'm gonna just array push, and it takes 2 arguments. One is the source array, another one the values that I'm gonna push here. So the source array would be array 2, and the value I want to push here, this would be, let's just put, could be any values. Let's say I put 2, I put 7 or 6 or any 7, anything. So that's it. So the only difference is like it takes more than one value and puts that one by one at the end of the array. So now I'm gonna nice little print, and then this would be printed out in array 2 because that is the reference here. So I'm gonna comment this out for the above one, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to open, since it is already running, it shows 1 2 5 2 6 7, because as you can see 1 to 5, then 2 6 7. So it basically returns this way. So 1 2 5 2 6 and 7. So this is the output here, and the other one I can show you, the output here is the string value, which is 3. So let me recap you quickly both of the function, array pop and array push. Array pop just returns the last element of the array. Array push, it basically push one or more value to the end of the array. So that's it from my end today. Thank you for listening to me. Keep watching.